I'm Ron Martin, here with another Shipley Energy Market Update to inform you of market trends and world events that could affect your business. U.S. manufacturing is expanding for the first time in 16 months, indicating a strong economy and higher distillate prices. Geopolitical unrest, including drone attacks in Russia and OPEC's production cuts, also contribute to supply tightness and price volatility. Summer driving demand and refinery maintenance will lift crude oil, gasoline, and distillate prices. Propane remains well supplied into the shoulder season, and we expect prices to track and stay correlated with crude oil's overall direction. Our advice: if you haven't already, consider locking forward heating oil winter strips, as March and sometimes April are the best times. NYMEX natural gas settled below $2 MMBTU in March, driven by surplus storage. As we enter the spring season, the levels of natural gas in underground storage are currently well above average. As of last week's report, the U.S. Energy Information Administration shows levels of gas in storage are 23% above last year and 41% above the average of the past 5 years. Summer demand hinges on weather conditions. High temperatures may increase gas demand for electricity generation and lead to higher prices. For now, natural gas prices remain near the lowest in years. So it's a great time to lock in a fixed rate for your natural gas. Call us to get low fixed natural gas supply rates for 6 to 12 months and take advantage of the market. Electricity prices have increased 16% in the forward 12-month period due to supply-demand imbalances, and suppliers are anticipating summer demand, which is right around the corner. Capacity costs may rise, so consider extending contracts or exploring flexible pricing options. If you are wondering about extending contracts through 2024, and if renewing before August, explore flexible pricing to manage risk. Work with your account manager to determine what you can budget, whether you're willing to take on any risk to lower your price, and whether this is the time to move ahead. Navigating the energy markets can be challenging. Contact your Shipley Energy account manager today for personalized guidance on your purchasing strategy. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to providing another energy market update next month.